For so many years, I have been baffled at the idea of success, the definition of success. I always felt that I don't belong here because my idea of success is my personal space, my own happiness. I came to Mumbai to become a singer with lots of aggression and killer instinct, and I want to do this. I want to make money. I want to be a star, and I want to get awards. And I was so aggressive when I came to Mumbai. And over the years, everything changed for me. That Sonu died a long time back, and this new Sonu doesn't connect with that Sonu at all. And I used to wonder, लोग घड़ी क्यों लेते हैं इतनी महंगी महंगी? Why do people talk about brands, and why do people? I wear the best clothes when I'm performing on stage. That's my work. We buy the best cars because it's a part of my profile. But I'm not crazy about cars like I was earlier. I wanted to have the best cars, but today I have good cars just because of there is a glamour quotient that you have to maintain being the business. So I'm not going to be careless about it.
Would you say you're a very frugal spender as well when it comes to, I mean, you have been there, you've done that, all kinds of fancy cars, a big house, etc. But when you spend money for yourself, for your lifestyle, what kind of a spender would you call yourself?
I spend when I find it's necessary, when it's important. I don't like to, and thankfully even, my family is also like that. My wife hasn't really been the kind of person whom I have to impress by buying her jewelries and diamond and all. In fact, when the IT people came to my house about 7 years back, do this thing, and they came to they were baffled. They were surprised to see that we don't have a locker in the house. Because my father manages all the money. So till today, I'm going to be 47 in the next couple of days. Till today, whatever money I've gained, I've earned is with my father. We ask money from our father. Papa, zara 2 lakh bhijwa do. Papa, zara 3 lakh bhijwa do.
So he's managing all the money that you
He's the boss.
accumulate.
I never want to give him money. I want him to always give money to me. So my wife asks me, अब हमें घर में 50,000 भिजवा दो. Then I ask my father, Papa. So he asks me, इस महीने ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया. 3 लाख कैसे हो गया? ये बहुत मैं बोलता Papa, sorry, Papa. You'll take care of. So this is how we function.
You know why I asked you this question is because right now, this is the time when we realize the importance of being financially stable, right? Given how many people are suffering from different industries, different professions.
My father and my mother have, come up. They brought us up in very, middle class family, like a middle class. Brought up in a very average environment. We also never asked our parents कि हमें खिलौना ले दो. कहाँ से लाएंगे वो? They don't have money themselves. They don't spend on themselves. And our idea was always to save money. So we saved decent money. We didn't earn like crazy, but we saved like crazy. So money must be treated with respect. And not that, I've got farmhouses and I've got lots of properties and all, but that's fine. But it has not been wasted away for things that are going to have no value in the future. And of course, in that process, sometimes we've invested wrongly. Sometimes people have duped us of a lot of money. But I don't really think about it because जो मेरा था वो मेरे पास आना था. जो मेरे नहीं था वो मेरे पास नहीं. उसी का था उसी के पास चला गया. I always believe that. So I don't really cry कि अरे मेरा पैसा खा गया वो. I don't believe in all that.
You made it big at a very early age, like you were also mentioning. What would be your word of advice to all the young talent that's coming into the industry? What can they do to chart their path better and sort of manage their success better as well?
There aren't any avenues for new singers. Music companies have their own artists, of course, and there is some issue with like YouTube also probably because they have huge subscribers, but the views are less. And random singer sings for music company, and they have 1 million views in like 1 hour. So इसको हिंदी में बोलते घपला है. There is a lot of घपला happening, and new singers are really traumatized. And I've actually made a vlog today, which will be released today about this same issue. I would just say, they have to understand that you have to get detached. If you're too attached with the industry, if success and the idea of success, for me, for the years change, as I said, mentioned earlier, everyone has to understand the idea has to be about self fulfillment. Singing well, थोड़ा कम कमा लेंगे, पर इज्जत से रहेंगे and खुश रहेंगे. So I would say, I know these are tough times for new singers, very tough times. People who are saying it's all hunky dory are the people who belong to a music company. Ask the other people the harsh realities of the ground realities of.
Why are music companies refusing to sign on new and fresh talent? Why do you think that is?
No, the thing is, they sign these talents also. Actually, I put a link on the video. The guy saying that I was signed, but they didn't work. He's saying I signed with them. I gave them my money. I was doing concerts. I gave them a percentage of my money, but they didn't do any work. So, I'm only going by what these guys are speaking, because this is not my personal experience. The young kids are talking about it, and these are tough times for young kids. It will get better if a situation is getting addressed. That means it's on its way to recovery.
I have to address the gigantic elephant in the room. We all have seen that video of yours which went viral, and you did raise some very valid points in there as well. How has the industry reacted? Have you received any messages, whether of criticism or showing support?
Criticism only happened from a certain group that happened openly, and that I addressed. I addressed it. But otherwise, I'm only getting blessings from people. People have young or बच्चे मुझे बोल रहे हैं, sir, God bless you. People who are younger to me, they're blessing me. Forget about their elders. So, and the thing is, if you notice, I never have malice towards people. When I address a situation, I don't do out of anger. I don't do out of, कि मेरा personal vendetta है किसी से. I'm just reminding people that instead of crying after the person has committed, right, address the situation right now. Prevention is better than cure.
Can anything be done by established singers like yourself? I'm sure there are many others who sort of agree with your views and would want to help people out, right? So what can be done in that case?
First of all, monopolistic practices have to be resolved. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. There has to be good and fair competition. One person being in charge of music making, music production, artist handling, deciding who's going to be heard on radios. Like हमारा artist नहीं तो radio में नहीं बजाएंगे. पूछो, ask the radio guy. They will tell you that this is what happens. Don't play this singer.
But when did this deterioration start? I mean, you've been there through the decades, right? How were things then, and how have they evolved? And at what point did it become such a big concern?
I think in the last 10 years, it has become crazy. See, we all know every space of work, every industry has its own, goons and good people and boss and bullies. होता है. पहले भी होता था when we were younger, but at least the people in control are the people who knew the job. अब ऐसा नहीं है. अब ऐसा है. तू हमारा आर्टिस्ट है, तू फेमस है, तू जरा खरीद सकता है, तो ऐसा है थोड़ा सा. I am saying let that zone be there, as long as it doesn't eat other people's prospects. तुमको जो करना है, but don't tell people कि इसका गाना मत बजाओ यार, या इसके साथ काम नहीं करना. That's wrong. You can have your own mafia. You have your own gang rather than mafia. Have your own gang, but don't take away, make other people miserable. कि वो आएंगे तुम्हारे पास से, सर मुझे प्लीज मेरा खाने पीने की चिंता हो जाएगी. Then somebody will commit suicide. तब आप बोलेंगे एड्रेस करेंगे सिचुएशन को. That's what I said, and I think people have understood that. And if, as I said earlier, if a situation is getting addressed, that means it's on its way to recovery.
Apart from the practices, how have preferences also changed for music over the years? And any trends or any sort of way forward that you see for the Indian music industry?
The good thing is that people can now release their songs themselves. They don't need it. And if you're lucky, and if you have some talent, and if you made something unique, you're bound to stand out. ये अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. And I'm very happy that the young ones have at least this hope that they can do. I just hope that by imposing heavy tariff on singing their songs or singing, ऐसा हो रहा है अभी lately. I've been hearing news that music companies are imposing heavy tariffs. कि तू हमारा गाना गाएगा, ये करेगा तो तुझे have to pay money. If this happens, then singers are gone, then musicians are gone, so we'll all have to probably make sure that it's a healthy situation, a healthy working zone, and it's a win-win for everyone. I don't want music companies to not make money, and I don't want the IPL society or ISRA not to make money. It should be gentle, it should be reasonable. Not everybody can afford 20,000 रुपए गाने का, 30,000 रुपए गाने का, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते आप. So ऐसा हो रहा है. I hope that these such trends are handled with mutual respect and mutual consideration.